Hi Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter. This is a twin flame soulmate reading for twin flames and soulmates that are in contact and coming into union. This is the energy that I channel. I do have another playlist for twin flames and soulmates that are in separation and no contact at all. So if you're not sure where you fit, you might want to watch both and see what resonates for you. And it's not gender specific, it's only your energy and it's a timeless reading. And please remember to check the description box below for information on my private services so I can help you. All my details are there, WhatsApp number, email address, my Facebook and Instagram links are below. I do put specials out on my Facebook and Instagram from time to time. You can find them there or contact me anywhere that's convenient so we can discuss the help that you need. And please like, share, and subscribe. I'm giving away a free private reading. I will pick someone from the sign with the most likes every week for now, alternating between the two playlists. So leave your name and email address or WhatsApp number, whatever you're comfortable with, in the comment section below of the videos that you're watching. So I can let you know if I picked you for a free reading. And let's see what is happening to you, Virgo. Sorry, Virgo, I've got a little kitten here. I'm climbing all over the show. Maleficent wants to say hello. Um, but let's see what's happening for you. First card that came out was the Ace of Pentacles, Ace of Coins. In this deck, it's about building a legacy. It's about making a really big offer of a new beginning to the person that holds the key to your heart. This offer is very stable, it's grounded, and it's big. And there's a diamond in the center. So you are most definitely giving or receiving a really big offer from your twin flame or soulmate here. Um, and I feel it's not only in love, but it's also linked to a lot of finances, a lot of abundance financially. Yeah, there's definitely a reconciliation on the table for you, whether you're the one giving it or you're the one receiving it. Someone from the past is returning here. So your twin flame or soulmate are returning to you, or you are returning to them. Okay, this is your energy. So I do feel you are at the receiving end here of this offer of reconciliation, this offer of love, this offer of financial abundance. Just something really big. You are offering something really big, or you are receiving something really big here from your twin flame or soulmate. It might have been a slow process and a long journey here for you with it. Knight of Pentacles. The Knight of Pentacles is a very slow moving energy, but it's a very stable energy. He does get to his destination, and you can see he's holding on very tightly to that one pentacle over there. And he's on his way to offer it, and that is definitely, this is the pentacle. He's offering that pentacle. It may have taken a long time to get there, but he is there and he's making that offer. Okay, so you are most definitely receiving or giving an offer here to your twin flame or soulmate. As I said, it's not only love, there's a lot of finances involved here as well for you with a business venture. So either you have started something new in a career, maybe took a promotion or started a new business, and it's just absolutely exploding. There's a lot of abundance. Or your twin flame or soulmate may have started a new business and they've been really fortunate in that business, and now they're offering you everything, something really big and stable here with this business venture. Both of you may have worked on finances and career, and things are just really well financially between the two of you, and that could be what took quite some time for both of you to really get to where you want to be in regards to being together, but you are most definitely coming together here with a reconciliation. There has been something that shifted very suddenly with the tower. Now the tower is about something that ends very suddenly, something you didn't expect, came out of the blue, and it ripped everything to pieces. And this is, I feel, something that happened between the two of you in the past. And you kind of had to wait things out. Now this could have been linked to finances. And there was a lot of heartache involved, and there was a lot of time involved with the hourglass there. and both of you kind of, or you had to wait things out for this offer to come towards you. But something suddenly shifted again now. So even though I feel this is a passing energy of a breakup or a sudden separation that happened in the past, something that could not be avoided or you didn't see coming, something that took time, something that caused a lot of heartache, I feel like something just shifted again. Something suddenly shifted, and this is that financial situation. And your twin flame or soulmate actually coming to that point of being ready to start rebuilding with you. Out of the tower, we rebuild. After everything has gone blown to pieces, everything has been ripped apart, and nothing of it is left, you can start rebuilding something brand new from scratch. And you can rebuild it any way that you like and any way that you desire. And this is what I feel coming from this tower. Something shifted in this connection again. I do not feel it's another breakup. I feel this is the rebuilding, and you may not have seen this coming. You may not have expected it to come in right now, but it is. It is definitely coming in. This is in the rebuilding stage. Your twin flame or soulmate are rebuilding with you here with that tower. As I said, it may have been a very slow process, and finances may have played a really big part here. Of course, I have two Pentacle cards, the Ace of Pentacles, the Knight of Pentacles. You can see he's moving towards making this offer here, as well as the business venture. So there's a lot of financial stuff involved in this connection. But you are receiving a reconciliation, absolutely. Your twin flame or soulmate are rebuilding this connection with you. They are really making the effort. They are making the effort, and I feel like you are making the effort here, Virgo. You feel that great love is worth taking the steps that you are guided to take, and you are guided to reconcile. You feel the guidance to reconcile and really make an effort in this connection. This is a really beautiful love. I can see it. And this time, if it wasn't in the past, if there was a lot of explosive energies in the past and breakups or separation or tower energies in the past, that is all over now. You waited the time out. You went through the heartache. It was very slow moving, but you kind of stayed in it, waited everything out. I feel like you waited everything out, and now you are reaping the benefits. It's actually coming to fruition, and now both of you can really make the efforts to make this connection work and come into union. That is a really beautiful reading, and this time it's stable and it's long term. This is building a legacy, so this time it's long term, it's stable, it's not going to blow up in smoke again. I'm going to leave it there, Virgo. Remember to check the description box below for information on my private services. All my details are below. Contact me in a way that's convenient and we can discuss the help that you need, as well as like, share and subscribe for me. I'm giving away a free private reading. I'll pick someone from the sign with the most likes every week for now, alternating between the two playlists. So leave your name and email address or WhatsApp number, whatever you're comfortable with, in the comment section below of the videos you're watching, and I will see you in the next video. Namaste, Virgo.